Welcome back everybody to another video of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing bacon wrapped shrimp on the Traeger. Let's fire up that Traeger. So we pre-cooked the bacon. Since the bacon was a thick cut bacon, we had to pre-cook it. If you use the thinner bacon, you don't have to pre-cook it because it takes a lot quicker to cook. Shrimp doesn't take that long to cook, so we used thick bacon. I had to put it in first for 20 minutes. So I pre-cooked the bacon for 20 minutes at 300 degrees, the same temperature that we used to cook the bacon wrapped shrimp. So the shrimp that we got, it's the one that we had to peel and devein. If you guys are not into stuff like that, you guys can buy the shrimp already peeled and deveined. Make it a little bit easier. I thought it was peeled and deveined, but it wasn't, so we had to do all that. We're going to use some skewers. Also, the ones that we got, we had to put them in water for a little bit, let them soak in water, and we're going to put them in a skewer, wrap them in bacon, and so let's show that process. We have the shrimp here, we have our bacon here. This is our thick cut bacon, but this bacon is going to be too big for these little shrimp, so we're going to cut them in half like that. We're going to add a little bit of this seasoning, rub on these shrimp to get some flavor on them. More. The rubber we're using is this Meat Church barbecue rub. It smells great. It's my first time trying it, but it's just all it is spices and some garlic. Alright, we got the skews here. Grab one of these bacon and just a simple wrap like that, and put it in there. So this also helps our bacon stay in place. That's why I went with the skewer. So I'm gonna do a couple like these, and I'm gonna do the rest off camera. You can use thin slice bacon. Maybe thin slice bacon is a better idea. But we like thick bacon, so we went with thick bacon. Bam. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera, and then we'll be back when I got all this done. Alright, so we're going to put them on the Traeger. We have it at 300 degrees, and we're going to put these for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to check them again in 20. So I'm going to put these, and we'll be back. So they've been there for 20 minutes, and they're getting there. My God, it's looking good. So we're gonna wait about another maybe 10 minutes. Check on them again. Internal temp, if you guys want internal temps, the shrimp is 120, 125 around there. We'll be back. All right, they are done. They've been there for a total of 30 minutes, and you can tell by the color of the shrimp, they are ready to come out. Man, look how they look. It looks good. So we're going to go ahead and take these out, and I'll be back. So now that the shrimp is done, and it looks good, and it smells good, let's do a quick recap of what we did. All right, so here is our bacon wrapped shrimp, and it looks good. Excited to try it. Now, I wrap the bacon, put them in the skewer like this. My wife did it like this. She did it like this, more like a shish kebab type, which I think it looks better. So I think next time I would do it this way, where you just cut a piece of bacon, then shrimp, piece of bacon, shrimp, piece of bacon, and shrimp. This looks better. So I will try that next time. But today, we wrapped most of them. We added some Meat Church rub, barbecue rub on it. Then we take one out. Now, if you like bacon, I know you guys do. You guys like shrimp? I know you guys do. Now, we put them together. So, without further ado, let's try it. Damn! Why is it that when you add bacon to it, it just tastes that much better? Now, the rub that we use for Meat Church has spices and spices and garlic. And you can taste it. It just tastes so good. I mean, the shrimp is perfectly cooked. You don't want to overcook it, but I mean, we took the shrimp off like at 135 internal temp. That's what I took it out, and man, you can't beat that. You not beat that. Now, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe button. There's more great content coming. There's more great recipes coming. So I got a lot more ideas. This is just the beginning. Let me just that piece. Wow. You guys will not be disappointed with this bacon wrapped shrimp. So, we'll see you guys next time. See you guys later.